Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Hi, I'm Leah, and we're at the seashore. Do you like to go to the seashore? Great! We all came. Me, my sister Annie, Quincy, June, and Rocket. Rocket? Hey, where did Rocket go? Did you see Rocket?
Yeah, there he is. Look, he's playing with someone in the water.
Who is he playing with? A whale! Wow! I cannot believe it! Rocket made friends with a whale!
That's a little humpback whale. Aww, he's singing. La 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 la. La 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 la. You're having so much fun. Hey, look! That big whale is waving to little whale with her tail.
Whoa! Listen to that!
It's a whole pod of whales.
It must be Little Whale's family.
Yeah, there's the mama whale.
And the Papa Whale.
And little whale's sisters and brothers.
And aunts and uncles and cousins. Wow! For such a little whale, he sure has a big family.
Little whale doesn't want to go.
He wants to keep playing with Rocket.
Yeah, but his mom says it's time to go. We should go too.
Yeah, it's snack time. Hey, Rocket! It's time to go!
Playing at the beach sure made me hungry.
Yum! Those were some good snacks. Rocket, what's wrong? Aw, I think Rocket misses someone. Do you know who Rocket misses? Yeah, I bet he misses his friend, Little Whale. Do you miss Little Whale?
Leo, we've got to help Rocket.
That's right. We've got a mission. Rocket, we're going to help you find Little Whale.
Look, it's the Great Barrier Reef. Where are you, little whale?
He could be just about anywhere.
Maybe he's behind that anemone. Can you say anemone? Great! What's an anemone? It looks like a plant, but it's really a sea creature.
Ooh.
Wow, little whale's not behind the anemone. How are we going to find him?
I've got an idea. Listen to this, Rocket. I've been practicing. Wow!
Oh,
Quincy sounds just like a
whale.
whale.
He's so great at playing instruments. Now we've got a way to call to Rocket's friends.
Yay.
Play it, Quincy.
Maybe that's Little Whale. Little Whale sounds like this. Do they sound the same?
Okay.
No, they're different. Look, is that Little Whale? No, it's a sea turtle.
Maybe he knows where little whale is. Let's ask him. La 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 la. Have you seen little whale today?
He saw Little Whale. He's showing us which way to go. Thank you, Sea Turtle. Rocket, let's go!
Boy, Rocket's really excited about playing with little whale.
Yeah, he's going so fast. But guys, we have to go faster. It's a squid. Oh no, faster, Rocket. Wow, that's fast. But it's not fast enough. The squid is right behind us. We're going to need your help to go faster and faster. Can you say accelerando? Great. Tell Rocket accelerando. Accelerando. Even faster! Say, accelerando! Phew!
Thank goodness. You're the best, Rocket.
Good swimming! Thanks for saying, accelerando!
But.
What is that?
Ooh, it's a pufferfish.
Pufferfish? What's a pufferfish?
It's this amazing little fish that can puff up big.
Ah! Look out! They've got really sharp spines! They're like underwater porcupines! And we're headed right for them!
You're right. We better slow down so the pufferfish don't prick us.
We need your help to go slower. Can you say retardando? Great! Say it with me. Retardando! Be careful, Rocket! Great! sure glad we didn't run into a shark. It's a shark! Ah! We need to go faster and faster. Say, accelerando! Accelerando! We need to go even faster. Say, accelerando! Phew.
Yay!
We did it!
Woohoo!
Thanks for saying accelerando and retardando. And thanks, Rocket, for helping us get away from the shark. Thank you very much.
Now we can find your whale friend.
Whoa, where are we? I don't know. That shark chased us here.
How are we going to find little whale now?
Let's take a look around. Rocket, up periscope.
Look, look, look!
A violin. A trumpet.
I know where we are. We must be in Orchestra Ocean.
Maybe one of the instruments can help us.
Yeah, maybe one of the instruments has seen Little Whale.
I'll play Little Whale's song. Look, a French horn is playing just like Little Whale.
The French horn is going to help us find Little Whale. Hooray!
Hooray! Follow that French horn! Careful, Rocket.
Whoa! What is this stuff?
It looks like a huge rock.
It's not a rock, it's coral. It's alive, and it's made up of millions of tiny animals.
Little Whale must be on the other side of this coral reef.
I bet there's lots of fish hiding inside these tunnels. I hope we don't run into any spooky fish.
Ooh.
Where did the French horn go?
Good question.
It must have gone down one of those tunnels. Now what do we do?
I know. We can listen for it. The French horn sounds like this. Does that sound like the French horn? No. It's a flute. Let's listen down another coral tunnel. Does that sound like the French horn? Yes, it sounds just like the horn. Let's go down this tunnel.
I wonder what was down the other tunnel. Ah! Scorpion fish!
Go, Rocket, go! Now which way do we go? Let's listen. French horn sounds like this. Does that sound like the French horn? No, it's a violin. Now let's listen to this tunnel. Is that the French horn? Yes! It sounds like the French horn. Let's go
Hey!
this way. Hey, look at the other tunnel. It's more scorpion fish. Let's get
you, French horn.
Now it's where you go. Let's. Little whale here.
Found something. He's using his rocket racer. These are conch shells. They're not instruments. Let's just see about
Right. We did it.
El horno y el closet. Entonces el horno le mojo ¿cómo se llama esto? Con el papel, con el parte verde.
What is going on? What horn?